Welcome to FAULHABER Drive Time. In this video, I will show you the most common error when dealing with encoders. The encoder transforms the rotor position into electrical signal used by the drive electronics to control the motor function. Let's have a look at the main error to avoid using encoder. The first thing to check is to avoid the damage and malfunction is the pin assignment of the encoder signal and the supply voltage. About the supply voltage, if this is too low to power the encoder circuitry, there could be some problems for the correct signal generation. It may happen that some pulses are missing, or this will introduce errors in speed and position calculation. If the supply voltage is too high, you may damage the encoder electronics, so take care about this. Be careful with encoder supply voltage. Normally, the encoder supply is delivered directly by the drive electronics. In this case, the two supply wires must be correctly connected. A supply polarity inversion will damage the encoder circuitry, so double-check the connection. The direct connection of the encoder wires to the motor phases will damage the encoder because of the high voltage applied to the digital output channel. The inversion of the encoder channel signal, a missing channel connection, or a short circuit on the channel wires can also cause bad motor control and potential damage. Long wires act like antennas, collecting electromagnetic noise from the radiating sources in the application. The parasitic inductance and capacitance of long wires filter the encoder signal and cause distortion, with control problems due to correct signal detection. To avoid this issue, shielded encoder wires or differential output encoders are recommended. With differential output encoders, the wire shielding is not mandatory. The line driver amplifies the encoder signal, and the differential receiver with the differential signal processing reduces the electromagnetic noise. If you notice wrong motor behavior with line driver signal at high speed, the cause can be related to the reflection of the high frequency signal in the connection line. This causes distortion of the encoder signal. To reduce the reflection, you must connect a termination resistance of 120 ohm between the differential line at the controller side. This is also important with absolute encoder, where the clock and data signal frequency can reach 2 MHz. To conclude, always refer to the datasheet information to avoid wiring errors and possible damage to the encoder. The encoder repair could be impossible, and the whole drive system can become an expensive brick. Thank you for watching this video. Check out our other videos on FAULHABER Drive Time. Feel free to leave a comment below. Take care and goodbye.